Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've come down to London. I've just arrived at London Euston. I've brought with me the old faithful Canon M50 Mark II with the 22mm Pancake lens. So I'm really looking forward today. It's my first time back in London for absolutely ages. So this is my go-to camera for street photography. I know I've got a few others, but this is the one that I really love, especially with the 22mm Pancake lens on. It's much more discreet. It's a nice light camera for wandering around the streets and taking shots. The 22mm is equivalent to about 35mm in a full frame. It's a nice focal length to get more of the scene in. The only thing is, if you want to get close-ups, you really have to get quite a lot closer. So anyway, I'm going to take a wander from the station down towards the Thames and see where we end up on the way down and take a few shots on the way. So hopefully you enjoy the video and I'll catch up with you in a moment. So at the moment I've got this on 250th of a second on f8 and auto ISO, but I might change it as we go through the day. We've got some sun, nice sun today. I like this shadow here. In fact, we're going to get this shot. That shadow is a leading line up to the crossing and the person there. So I can see a nice shadow to my right. And there's this cyclist just coming along on the left, so I want to try and get the cyclist going through the shadow. I'm pretty happy with that one. That's okay for an early shot. I'm just going to get this cyclist here as well, actually. Got the shadow on the left and the cyclist in the sun. Let's just get one through this bus window, see if we can get this person here. That's okay. A person with a hat. Just got to get somebody with a hat, haven't you? It seems to be a photographer's thing. Now I always take this shot when I walk past here. I just can't help it. I just love the BT Tower in the distance. I actually went up there as a kid. It was called the Post Office Tower then. Let's get this motorcyclist just touching the shade, which is quite nice. You've got the light on the left and the shade on the right. Oh, look at this shot. I've just got to get this smoke. There we go. I'm pretty happy with that one. There's this drinking fountain on the right to fill up bottles of water, I believe. But what I like is the shape of it. So I'm just going to come round here and see if we can get something coming through the frame and just using this as a frame. Let's see what we got. Just my luck. Oh, hang on, there's a car. Okay, motorcyclist, that will do. Oh, let's just get this lady coming down here. You just got to act fairly quickly when you see things. Now, I like this glass on the left. It's really reflecting well. So I just need to move back a bit, I think. And we're going to get a reflection shot. So let's just move back a little bit here. That should do me. We just get this chap coming along and we just get the reflection of him in the window. And there's another one there. Sometimes I like to get the reflection and the person, but on this occasion I've just got the reflection. Look at this bike here. Oh wow, let's get a shot here. That's okay. What sort of story does that tell? I love that picture in the background. Let's just get somebody walking through it. Oh, that's nice. Look at this shadow. I'm going to try and get a picture with these people here it's sort of the shadow going diagonally across the frame with people coming through. I'm going to use this shadow now as a leading line. I can see a taxi, I'm just waiting for it. As soon as the traffic starts moving, let's just get this taxi. There we go. So we've got the shadow leading your eyes through to a London cab. Oh, I'm just going to get this chap here. Oh, he's moving back. Let's get nice and close. There we go. Not much here. How about a look down shot? Let's just get feet. You've just got to try these things out. Oh, look at this. I think it's a Rolls Royce, but look at the sun. Like, got starbursts coming off the side of the car. Just got to get that one. That's nice. Two nice starbursts. I'll just get this worker here. On the phone as usual. Everybody's on the phone. Oh, we've got another shadow here. I'm going to see if I can get somebody stepping across this shadow. We'll have it diagonally across the frame, and then we'll wait for somebody. Maybe this chap. Oh no, somebody's in the way. Okay, what about this chap? Let's get him. That's it, just what I wanted. The step going across the shadow. There's a chap on the right here. I'm going to see if I can get him as a side shot. So just as I'm walking past. There we go. That's nice. I like that one. There's a chap up here with a bowler hat I can see. I'm just going to do another side shot as I'm walking past. That's nice. Let's get this lady sitting here. Okay, let's get a cityscape. This looks nice. I love this view across this bridge. It's really nice. So I've got the sky in the top third and the river in the bottom 2/3. I'm just going to do this again because look at the sky. You've got streaks of jet lines. I'm assuming that's what it is, but it looks really nice. Okay, we've got to get the London Eye now. Going across here, now we're quite a distance away, but we can probably crop in a bit in post. So I'm fairly happy with that. Oh, now I can see a jet coming across. I'm going to try, even with this lens, can you see that jet just there coming in on the left? I'm going to wait till it gets near the London Eye. Hopefully you can see it. I'm pretty happy with the shot. Okay, let's just get these people going down here. Okay, lady on her own. Let's just get this shot here in the purple dress, just as I'm walking past. That's okay. I love the bridges in London. Just going to get a shot of this bridge. We'll do this. I think we'll do that again actually. Let's get that with that boat coming through. That's better. I like that one. So if they both come out, I'll show them both to you. Now I've taken this shot before. I like one person coming through, but anyway, a group will do. We've got a nice shadow as a leading line and a group going through the circle. Okay, I love this cityscape, so I'm just going to get this one. Got a person on the beach down in the bottom and a nice cityscape scene across the river. Another nice bridge. I just love the bridges in London. I like all the shadows. It's a great day today for this. Oh, now this tunnel. I wonder what we can do here. It'd be lovely if we just could get one person, but I'm not really going to stand around waiting, so we'll make do with this. That's okay. Let's just go a little bit closer and see what else we can get. This will do. Very nice. going to get this lady here, so let's get close. Oh, she's looking at me. I'm just going to pretend I'm taking a photo of the cityscape. She's looked away. There we go, we've got it. But I will take the cityscape now. That's it. I really love that one. I love these cityscapes across the Thames. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me the thumbs up because it does help the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.